Good evening, everyone. It is April 12th, 2017. We're doing a 2-box personal break for Nathan Jackson in the YouTube stream. He purchased 2 personal boxes of 2015-16 Leaf Heroes and Prospects. These are the last 2 personal boxes we have available in stock here at Jaspy's HobbyLand. So now this is out of stock. So, Nathan, good luck, man. Here it is. Let's open up this one as well too, so that way we can have both of them open. Hold on really quick, Nathan.
Another one of these spot randomizers, but if you want to buy it straight up, you've got some time. So you have some time. We've got plenty of time. We've got plenty of time. Alright, let's grab a case.
Sorry about that, man. Alrighty, man. Good luck. First card, David Levin. 10 of 25. Next one. Dime Tree. Sokolov. Sokolov. Sorry. Sokolov. Yes, sir, Malcolm. This is a personal. 41 of 45, 2-color. Dylan Doob. Doobie. Doob. Call him Doob. A Dimetro Tomashov. 6 of 20. Nice 3-color patch right there. Dylan Strome, 20 of 20. Nice 3-color jumbo patch. Let me get back to you right now, Carlos. I would need to see which ones are available, but I know the Kings are only $14.99. I don't know if they're still up there, but Kings have Luke Robitaille autographs and Rob Blake. I know that it might be kind of hard to hit, but Kings will be good. Florida Panthers have Jaromir Jagr autographs in there. Flyers actually are a good team to get. I know they're $30, but they're a good team still available there. Like Kings would be nice for me because I mean you can get Luke Robitaille or Rob Blake autographs, but it is kind of hard though. But could be a big hit. 9 of 10 prospect signatures right there. Tyler Radish, or Radish, I don't know, 20 of 20 prospect signatures. I mean, for a bigger rookie, I would say the better team that's still available is the Flyers, Philadelphia Flyers, because you got Provorov in there. If you're trying to go a little bit inexpensive, but have a chance to get a big hit, I would go like Kings, Florida Panthers. Florida Panthers have Michael Matheson on as a rookie as well. But like I said, prospect signatures Nolan Volcan, sorry. Yeah, the thing is that these guys don't play in the NHL yet, Malcolm. Stelo Mateos, 3 of 5 auto game used. Wrong Nolan? It's alright, man. Here's the right Nolan. Prospect signatures, Nolan Patrick. There you go. Alright, that's one box. Next one. 1225 green jumbo. Jacob Tritron, 9 of 25. Two of 45. What's up, Thunder? Nice, Matthew Tkachuk, 4 of 5. 3-color jumbo patch. That's nice right there. We have a 12 of 12 complete jersey. Nathan, this is that guy, right? Maxime Comtois? Comtois or Comtois? Yeah, Maxime Comtois, right? Nice one. Samuel Girard, 21 of 30. Vili Sarajarvi, prospect signatures. Possible second or third pick. Well, nice, man. It's a pretty nice tie down number and emblem. Oh, the Kings also have a Gretzky auto. Nice. Damn. Okay, I didn't know that. I didn't really go through the checklist for the Kings that much, but Igor Bamko, 18 of 20. We have a Brady Gilmore, prospect signatures, 1 of 5. And what a way to end the break. Auto game use, Alexander Nylander, 1 of 1. There you go. There you go, man. No heroes in this box, but this was still a pretty nice box as well. With that tie down, Tkachuk out of 5. And this 1 of 1 Nylander. And you got a Nolan Patrick over here. Could be the #1 overall pick. Mateos. Dylan Strome jumbo patch. Pretty nice 2 boxes, man. JaspysHobbyLand.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.